Welcome to the innovative Tent Products instructional video for the Cobra roller. First, rest the head of the Cobra roller gently on top of the perimeter pipe of the tent. Release the 3 clips on the middle and lower portion of the wall. Next, we release the top clip, allowing the rolled wall to start unrolling. While preventing the wall from unrolling with one hand, use the other hand to attach the metal clips to the wall cable. When the wall is fully unrolled, slide collar ring up and then slide the tent wall down away from the clip. Repeat for the bottom clip. Lastly, remove Cobra roller from the tent and finish attaching wall to tent posts. Rolling the wall on the Cobra roller. Make sure both ends of the tent wall are detached from the tent posts. Approach the tent wall from the outside of the tent with the bottom of the Cobra roller leading under the tent wall. Very important, in order for the tent wall to roll evenly on the Cobra roller needs to be perpendicular to the top of the tent wall. Make sure to position the Cobra roller 12 inches to the right side of the center of the wall. It helps to have a small mark made on the top and the bottom of the wall to show you where to attach the wall to the Cobra roller. Next, insert the wall between the fingers of the bottom clip first. Then slide ring collar up to secure wall between clips. Repeat for the top clip. Make sure tent is tight from the bottom to the top of the Cobra roller. Make sure to release a couple of the wall's metal clips. Then begin to turn the vice grips clockwise while helping to feed both portions of the wall onto the Cobra roller. When the wall is completely rolled onto the Cobra roller, attach the top wall clip around the roll and onto itself again. Repeat for 3 remaining clips. Lift the Cobra roller head off the perimeter frame of the tent and you're done.